Hi guys, today topic is ACL access control list. In Linux it is a way to manage permission for files and directories. ACL allows us to apply a more specific set of permission to a file or directory without necessarily changing the base ownership and permission. So let's start. Practical things. Now we have to create some user and groups. Let me create Tom, group R sales group, group R finance group, FIN group, now user add open small g for primary group, Sai username, enter. The Sai user primary group is sales group. Okay, now I am going to add one more user add -g, same sales grp ram, enter. Now let me add one more user, capital G for secondary group, okay. Finance group Prashant, enter. Now one more user I have to add, Kumar, enter. Now let me create one more directory, mkdir / sales department dp. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one partition, and in that partition we have to mount and we have to assign the permission. Disk -l fdisk /dev/sdb, enter. U for n, primary 1, enter. Plus 100 MB, enter. P for print, W, enter. Part pro, then drive name dev STB, enter. To update the kernel without restarting the system, as I said my previous videos, we have to type partproc/dev/hdb. Now I have to format this partition. For that, mkfs .ext4, you can use ext3 also. Now /dev/sdb1, enter. Yes, it's done now. For mounting the partition with ACL enabled, mount -o ACL, then dev sdb1, where we want to mount. That mount point is sales dpt. Enter. Oh, 1 second. Then I have created, right? Let me check. cd okay, so I need to create then. Okay, let me create first. Now mkdir /sales dept, enter. Now again same command I am going to run, mount -o space ACL /dev/sdb1/sales department, enter. Yes. For checking mount point, mount, enter. See here, you can see okay. Let me clear it. Let me apply full permission on that folder. chmod 777 sales department, enter. Now I'm going to create a file in the ACL mounted partition. For that, cd sales department, enter. Touch abcd file or abcd.txt file, enter. Now I have created one file. Let me change the permission here. chmod 640, then abcd.txt file. What is the meaning of 640? 640 means owner have read and write permission, group has read permission, and others has no permission, enter. Now I am going to set the permission, and while I am going to set the permission, what I am going to do, Tom should have read and write permission. The member of group sales, you can say sales group, should have read and write permission. The member of the group finance group should have read only permission. Others should have no permission. I'm just going to set that rule here, so set that permission here. So for that, set FACL, set FACL -m user column Tom read write, then sales group as GRP column read write G group means finance group. If I can, GRP should have read only, and other should have no permission. Okay, what I did in this command, set FACL -m U for user Tom, given permission read write, G for group sales group, I have given permission read write. Again I have specified permission for group, one more group, which is finance group. For that I have given read, and others there is no permission, so I have given 3 hyphen, and file name is abcd.txt. okay, to see the apply permission on this file, we have to type get FACL, then abcd, enter. Now you can see owner is root, group also root, user has read write permission, Tom user has read write, group has read only permission. There is one more group which is called sales group, has read write, and one more group, finance group, has only read permission here, and others has no permission. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.